Making a lightweight cement is pretty simple. Cement is one of my favorite materials to work in. It was my first job in this world as a young man. I worked for a concrete finisher, and we poured sidewalks and basements in the hot sun. It was hard work, but I came to really like cement. You can do tons with it. Cement can be made here with for the application we're making for this lightweight thermal insulating cement with a mixture of perlite and Portland. So I've got big bags of perlite, and you can get this at whatever store. They've got them at the big box stores, and you can mix in a mixture. Now you can mix it however much you want, really. The more perlite you put in, the more thermal insulation you get, but it's weaker. So you can look up formulas online. I'm going to use a 4-to-1 mix, and I'm going to toss in, just to make it a little stronger, some sand with no particular, I don't know, I'll put in probably a shovel full of sand for every 4-to-1 perlite, something like that. So it's not rocket science, and it's not chemistry, at least not very specific chemistry. And I'm just going 4-to-1. So I got 4 of these shovels. 3 and 4, and perlite. What a fantastic material. If you're not familiar with it, I'm just barely familiar with it, but it's a volcanic product that's naturally made, and it's super lightweight. It looks like and feels like a styrofoam cooler, but it's natural. So let's throw in a little bit of sand in here. So little sand, and then the concrete mix, Portland. So I'm going with 1 to 4. That's about a half. Let's get a little more in there. Still a little light. Can't get my shovel in the bag. There we go. All right, a little stronger maybe. And that's it. Now you just need water and a mixer. If you can go to an old store or flea market somewhere and find one of these old mixers. Now, this thing looks like it's from the 1950s. It works as well as it ever did. And get a big mixer paddle, throw that on. This guy will do the work for you. So mix in some water. You want it kind of cakey and muddy, not too soupy. So put in the right amount of water, not too much, not too little. Obviously you can take it out, so better to undermix it to start with and add water as needed. If you overdo it with the water, just add more material. Not that hard. It's a little light on the water. Let's throw a little more in. I'll show you what the finished product looks like. It's kind of interesting. There it is. It's a little soupy. I might thicken it up, but your finished product here looks a lot like cement, only it's unbelievably lightweight and full of what feels like styrofoam bits. And we'll build with this. Coat with it really is what it's going to be. A layer of insulation that'll be basically fireproof and add a lot of thermal insulation. So here's our product. We're going to have to make a ton of it for the inside of this oven.